So we had our buffet breakfast at the hotel. Everything was delicious. We've just come into La Fortuna to do a sloth tour. So yeah, I'm excited. What are you most looking forward to about our little sloth walk?
It's mostly just being in the middle of the jungle. It's like very dense trees, super thick vegetation. It's gonna be like walking through the middle of a rainforest.
I'm excited about sloths. So we are just at the little bar next door, restaurant, having a Imperial Ultra, which I guess is maybe a Costa Rican beer, maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, take a look at this sloth walk that we're about to do.
This little tree we have right here.
Oh my god.
It's right there. See? Here, the green light.
Big butt. Yeah. Look, she's little butt. I wish they zoomed in more. Look at him go.
Look how big these leaves are. That's nuts.
I know.
That's so cool. That's why I feel like everything in the dinosaurs. Fun fact about sloths, they only come down to the floor once a week to pee and poop. So that's cool. They also regulate their temperature like a reptile. So they move to a shady spot or a sunny spot to regulate their heat. Also pretty cool.
Oh, that is so fun. So fun.
So fun.
Thank you for that fun fact.
You're welcome.
Oh, don't do that. I'm videoing you.
Mountains high, clouds fly, rivers flow, the birds sing.
That is so cool.
Oh, nature's all around, in every sight, in every sound. From the sea to the sun, it's beautiful everywhere.
And above my head here, you will see the famous tree turkey. It is similar to a ground turkey, yet this one lives in a tree. Now you know.
Colors bright, nature shines pure in light. Oh, nature's all around.
Let's go with this kind of sloth moving fast like this one right now. It's basically impossible. Prácticamente no podemos ayudarle con el telescopio nosotros. Mientras lo ajustamos ya se ha movido. Antonio, ¿qué pasó, Antonio?